Have you ever wondered what the future holds? What if I told you that in just a few years our lives will be transformed by incredible inventions? Today we dive into the mind-blowing innovations that are just around the corner. From self-healing smartphones to lightning-fast travel, we'll explore the technologies that are about to change everything. Stick around because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Okay, imagine this. You drop your phone and instead of cringing at the spiderweb of cracks on the screen, it just heals itself. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's closer than you think. We're on the verge of a materials revolution with self-healing materials. These aren't just your typical screen protectors. We're talking about materials that can actually repair themselves at a molecular level. Think about it. A world where scratches on your car disappear overnight, where tiny cracks in airplane wings fix themselves before they become a problem, where medical implants integrate seamlessly with the human body. That's the potential of self-healing materials. Now, this technology is still in its early stages, but researchers are making breakthroughs all the time. They're experimenting with different materials and methods, from microcapsules that release healing agents to polymers that rebond when exposed to heat or light, and the applications are mind-blowing. And it's not just about durability. Self-healing materials could also lead to less waste. That's a huge win for the environment. What excites you most about self-healing materials? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's talk transportation. We've all been stuck in traffic, missed flights, or endured long, uncomfortable journeys. But what if there was a faster, smoother, more efficient way to travel long distances? Enter the Hyperloop. Imagine this. You step into a pod, and within minutes you're hurtling through a near-vacuum tube at speeds exceeding 600 miles per hour. That's faster than most commercial airplanes. We're talking about traveling from New York to Los Angeles in just a few hours. The Hyperloop concept has been around for a while, but recent advancements in technology have made it a real possibility. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop and Elon Musk's The Boring Company are actively developing and testing this groundbreaking transportation system. So how does it work? The Hyperloop pods travel through low-pressure tubes, almost like a high-speed train in a vacuum. This drastically reduces air resistance, allowing for incredibly high speeds. And because the pods are levitating on a magnetic field, there's minimal friction, resulting in a smooth, almost silent ride. Now, the Hyperloop isn't just about speed, it's also incredibly energy efficient. The pods are powered by renewable energy sources, making it a sustainable alternative to air and road travel. And because the system is mostly underground, it has a minimal impact on the environment and reduces noise pollution. Would you hop on a Hyperloop? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Travel isn't the only thing getting an upgrade. Up next, let's explore an invention that could revolutionize healthcare. Personalized medicine. Let's talk about health. What if I told you that medicine could be tailored specifically to you, to your unique genetic makeup? That's the promise of personalized medicine, and it's already starting to revolutionize healthcare. We all know that everyone's body is different, so it makes sense that the way we respond to treatments should be different too, right? Personalized medicine takes this into account by using genetic information to develop targeted treatments and therapies. Imagine a world where doctors can analyze your DNA to predict your risk of developing certain diseases, allowing for early intervention and preventative measures. Imagine treatments that are tailored to your specific needs, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. This is already happening with cancer treatments. Scientists can now analyze the genetic makeup of tumors to identify the most effective drugs and therapies for individual patients. This targeted approach is leading to better outcomes and fewer side effects compared to traditional chemotherapy. But it's not just about cancer. Personalized medicine has the potential to transform the way we treat a wide range of diseases, from heart disease and Alzheimer's to autoimmune disorders and rare genetic conditions. And it's not just about treatment. Personalized medicine also empowers individuals to take control of their own health. By understanding their genetic predispositions, people can make informed decisions about their lifestyle, diet, and exercise routines to minimize risks and optimize their well-being. Now, personalized medicine is still an evolving field, but the advancements are happening rapidly. As technology improves and costs decrease, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption of this revolutionary approach to healthcare. Renewable energy breakthroughs. Our reliance on fossil fuels isn't sustainable, but what if we could power our world with clean, renewable energy sources? We're getting closer than ever before. We're on the cusp of a renewable energy revolution. One exciting development is in solar energy. Recently, a breakthrough in miracle material solar panels has brought us closer to commercialization. These panels are lighter, more flexible, and significantly more efficient than traditional ones. Wind energy is also transforming with new turbine designs. Offshore wind farms tap into strong, consistent wind resources. Even more revolutionary are bladeless wind turbines, which harness energy from vibrations instead of spinning blades, making them safer for wildlife and quieter for humans. Energy storage solutions are becoming more efficient and affordable. The transition to renewable energy is complex, but these breakthroughs give us optimism. But wait, there's one more invention that will truly blow your mind. Ready for this? AI and robotics in daily life. They're not just the stuff of science fiction anymore. These technologies are rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. Imagine a world where your AI assistant anticipates your needs and helps you manage daily tasks. Robots can handle household chores, provide companionship, or assist with surgeries. AI is already all around us. It's powering virtual assistants, recommending products, and diagnosing diseases. As AI evolves, it can automate complex tasks, freeing up our time. Robotics is also making incredible strides. Robots can perform surgeries, deliver packages, and assist the elderly. The real magic happens when AI and robotics combine. Intelligent robots can work alongside humans, augmenting our capabilities. With any transformative technology, there are ethical implications. We need to ensure AI and robotics are developed responsibly. The future of AI and robotics is full of potential. What are your thoughts on AI and robotics in daily life? Let's discuss in the comments below. The future is arriving faster than we think, and these inventions are set to change our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Which of these innovations are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring.